Discovering that a loved one passed away alone is devastating. Here is exactly what happens next, so you are not guessing during one of the hardest moments of your life. Call 911 immediately. Do not enter the space beyond confirming the situation. Law enforcement must respond first, even when the cause seems obvious. Officers secure the scene and contact the medical examiner, who determines cause of death. During this phase, no one enters or disturbs anything inside. Once law enforcement formally releases the scene, ask the officer directly, has the scene been released? Only then can cleanup begin. Before anyone enters to clean, call your homeowner's insurance carrier. Notifying them first protects your claim. Most policies cover unattended death cleanup. Never attempt cleanup yourself or hire a general cleaning crew. Decomposition involves serious biological hazards requiring specialized training, protective gear, and licensed disposal. A professional crew assesses all contamination, including underfloors and inside walls, then establishes containment to protect the rest of your home. Contaminated materials are removed and disposed of as biohazardous waste. Hard surfaces are disinfected with hospital-grade products in a multi-step process. Finally, odor is neutralized at the molecular level, and ATP testing confirms the space is safe. Most jobs are completed in 1 to 3 days. You should not have to figure this out alone. Call National Restoration Construction at 206-883-03